We see video everywhere. In our work, on our phones, and at home. But not all of these videos capture our attention as they should. Welcome to Video State, the place where you will learn how to create binge-worthy video content. From creative concepts to storytelling, and differences in editing suites, to distribution methods such as live streaming and building your own TV channel. The Video State YouTube channel explains it all. Coming soon to theaters near you.
Whoa, I would definitely go see that movie. The music, the visuals, the story, even the voiceover was pretty good, right? It was AI generated. Okay, I'll change the ending. Just a sec.
Subscribe now.
There you go. Alright, now what's the best way to promote a video? Right, with a video. Welcome to Video State. On this channel I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe or leave a comment if you want some more. Now, going to the cinemas, I always love the teasers and the trailers. Short, action-packed videos that tells the stories of upcoming movies. Now, you've done a really good job if you can tell a story under 2 minutes and totally draw me in. The importance of having teasers and trailers for your business is on the menu. Today we'll talk about teasers, next week we'll talk about trailers. So let's dive in. You might have heard of teasers, but what are they? Traditionally, a teaser is a short promotional video that provides a glimpse of an upcoming movie. But nowadays it's also imperative for any marketing strategy, for instance when you're promoting a webinar or any other type of online event. Now, teasers are designed to generate a lot of excitement and anticipation around the release without giving away a lot of detail. Typically, teasers are very short, in between 10 and 30 seconds in length, and they have a very strong focus on visuals and music to create an emotional impact on the viewer. Now let's check out this example of a great teaser of an upcoming AI app that totally caught my attention. Amazing, this is such a strong video. They captivate your attention and they hold on to it until the very end. You know, I didn't breathe for the whole video. And it's working too. I signed up, so I'd say this is a functionable teaser. Now, big question number one, when should you use a teaser? Use a teaser when you want to create a buzz and generate interest in an upcoming release before it's ready. You want to introduce a new product, service or an event without giving away too many details. You want to showcase a small part of the product or service that will spark curiosity and excitement among your audience. Or you want to start a conversation with your audience without providing too much information or committing to a full promotional campaign. Okay, now you know why you need a teaser. Let's take a look at how you can create a very good one. The first step, identify the key elements of what you want to tease. Before you can create a teaser, you need to know what you're promoting. Take some time to identify the most important elements, such as your subject, a simple plot, the video style, and your tone. Now take a look at this video here if you want to know more about video styles. Second step, choose compelling visuals. So choose visuals that will grab the viewer's attention and leave them wanting more. Now take a look at this video here if you want to know when to choose live action or animated video content. The third step, use music and sound effects to enhance your visuals. Music and sound effects are as much powerful tools for creating an emotional impact in a teaser as visuals. And if you want to have proof, let's check out this example. I told you, now do not underestimate this part. It sometimes takes me days to find the right music that fits my video, because there's so many genres to choose from. Fourth step, keep it short and simple. Remember, a teaser is just a taste of what's to come, so keep it short and focused. A teaser shouldn't be longer than 30 seconds because you don't want to give away a lot of details. We'll leave that part for the trailer. Fifth step, include a call to action. At the end of the teaser, make sure to include a call to action to tell viewers where they can go to find out more about your release. This could be a social media page or a website. Now overall, creating a teaser requires a balance between creativity, strategy, and technical skills. Now, by using the right visuals and music, you create an emotional connection. And by keeping it short and focused, you create excitement and anticipation among your audience. Now that's it for today. I hope you found some value here. I'll be back next week. We'll talk about trailers. Thanks for watching. I'll be back.